Hello guys, today I'm working on Kgtel. It's an SPD K312 After using my platform detector, I knew it's a SPD. It showed me it's an SPD. So remember, button phones, you just go to SCAR module version 1.07 and I identified the phone. The phone was identified successfully. I went to read user code. I read the user code at 7890 and the phone was successfully unlocked. So always remember that when you are working on button phones, just if it's an Kgtel, just use this. After detecting it as an SPD or an RDA, just use the SCAR module version 1.07 and your work will be success. So the same phone was brought back that the owner inserted a memory card and it corrupted the phone, so it was not starting, it was hanging on the button. No, it was not bringing network. So I factory reset the same phone using the SCAR module, as you can see here, and format done, as you can see. And the format, when I inserted the GCM card, the network was back. So remember, if you have the Chinese Miracle CM2 by Infinity Box, any phone that I've posted here that have shown a success using this Chinese Miracle CM2, just know you can do anything. You can read, you can write, you can format, you can read user code. You see, so many options on phone work. So remember to share my work. Click on the subscribe button. These pictures are just to illustrate. These all the work I have done myself and they were a success. So I trust the Chinese Miracle CM2.